Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Decron Resident app is and how it's positioned. According to its official App Store descriptions, Decron Resident is a mobile app designed for tenants to manage rent, maintenance, and communication with their apartment community. It provides a centralized way for residents to handle common rental tasks directly from their phone, based on official listings. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official sources, the app allows users to make one-time rent payments and set up recurring automatic payments. It also includes maintenance request tools, where residents can submit issues and track service needs within the app. According to official descriptions, users can complete lease renewals digitally, which removes the need for separate paperwork or in-person processes. The app includes a community bulletin board feature, which allows residents to interact and stay updated on announcements within their property. It is part of a broader resident portal system used by Decron properties, meaning access is typically limited to tenants within supported communities. Some features or functionality may depend on the specific property setup and management system, and this is not confirmed for every resident experience. This app may be useful for tenants who want a single place to manage rent payments, maintenance requests, and communication with their property manager. For users interested in simplifying rental management tasks through a mobile interface, this could be an option. However, overall usability and available features can vary depending on property configuration and account access, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.